Elon Musk Ad Astra School is launching in Bastrop, Texas. You must apply before last year because Texas Ad Astra School application for 2025 are now open. Here are some features of this school and why you should take admission in Ad Astra. Ad Astra's mission is to provide a personalized, project-based education that fosters a love of learning and prepares students for success in the 21st century. As you all know that it's a Elon Musk school, Ad Astra has a connection to SpaceX and Tesla, providing opportunities for students to engage with these companies and learn from their innovation plus job. This school curriculum focuses on STEM field subjects, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Ad Astra is a selective school with a rigorous admission process to ensure a talented and motivated student body. Ad Astra aims to cultivate a community of curious, creative and critical thinker, preparing them for success in a rapidly changing world.